At Key Stage 4, we need to look at the problems first of all, I think, and we need to put them on the table and then work out how we can put solutions together. We have to go to the Department for Education with solutions, not with problems. We have to go there with, this is the fix, this is what will make our subject stronger. So let's break it down into the issues that have been voiced by teachers, that have been voiced repeatedly over the last number of years, really. So let's take them one at a time. First of all, there is no doubt, and government ministers have admitted this, there is too much content in the Key Stage 4 syllabus. There is more in the Key Stage 4 syllabus than there is in the A level, which is complete madness. And we need to consult about how we can slim that down, how we can slim that content down and make it more manageable, because a number of students and a number of teachers are being deterred from studying design and technology purely because squeezing that amount of content into an exam system is proving too much of a deterrent, and they're looking for other options instead. That heavy load is forcing teachers to look for, I don't want to use the word easier, I'm trying to avoid using the word easier, less burdensome, probably an easier way to put it, qualifications such as 3D art and design. And the reason they're going there is because there is a lack of that core material content, and also it's 100% NEA, 100% coursework, no examination. And that's meaning that it's drawing even the most capable schools and the most capable teachers away from design and technology, where they need to be, where we need them to be, and is drawing them away towards art and design. And I believe art and design is getting fed up with this as well. Art and design is being, one word that was used recently to me was infiltrated by design and technology teachers who are changing the nature of the subject there. And it's not art and design by nature, it's about the aesthetic, it's about the end product. It's probably about more than that, if I'm really honest. I am not an art and design specialist, but we want to draw those design and technology teachers back into our subject where they belong. Also, depending on the awards selected, outcomes and the realisation of those outcomes can carry a relatively small percentage of marks on the NEA. Design, engineering and manufacturing are not and can never be theoretical. This has got to be a hands-on subject. This has got to be a subject where making something matters. I've said a number of times during the voiceover for this piece is that it can't be everything that we are measuring. It can't be everything that we're assessing. The outcome is part of a bigger picture. But actually making something is really important. And our subject must strive to engage head, hand and heart collectively. And then finally, and last but not least, I have to say, textiles teachers are in the main, and it's not just textiles teachers, but textiles teachers have moved away from the subject and have moved en masse to 3D art and design to avoid that core content which they're not comfortable with. And they've moved en masse there because they can't major in the subject that they have trained in. They can't major in the subject where they're experts. And in my opinion, textiles should be a material that can be studied as part of a D&T education. So they're the issues, they're the problems as we see them. In the next slide, we'll go on and we'll talk about possible solutions.